Hello, welcome to our Indian adventures. Today we are going to install the RydeCulture Charles Chapa floorboard inserts. Now, why upgrade to your stock? Well, look at the stock and look at these. Nice accent, striking. It has this vibration dampening technology. It is comfortable. Only takes 5 minutes to take this off and put this on. Let's do it. First, we have to pull back the old insert, just like that. Spray some soapy water on the grow mats. Spray some soapy water on the base. And then you guide this through the hole, fill it on the other side. And once they line up, it is easy to just push it through. I actually had it already. And voila. Stock, upgrade. If you're a military and veteran, make sure you ask for your 10% discount. Thanks for watching and stay tuned as we add more stuff to the Springfield.